watching The Angle. I am Divita Singh. So let's start our bulletin with the headlines first. Senior Congress leader and MP Rahul Gandhi has reached Jammu on a 2-day visit from today. Big win for Anil Ambani. Rupees 4,600 crore will be given in the case against Delhi Metro. Rajasthan BJP in charge Arun Singh targeted the Gehlot government of the state, said that the government should be overthrown. Before the Rajasthan Assembly session, Minister Pratap Singh Khachariawaz attacked BJP government. Rahul Gandhi visit to Jammu Kashmir today, grand welcome at Jammu airport. After the abortion of Article 370, senior Congress leader and MP Rahul Gandhi has reached Jammu on a 2-day visit from today. Rahul Gandhi reached Jammu airport at 12:20 p.m. where he was given a grand welcome by party workers and people. During this, he was welcomed in Jammu with drums and band. From Jammu airport, Rahul will leave directly from the journey of Vaishno Devi. He will reach the Vaishno Devi on a foot by Yatra route and stay in a night and attend the live Aarti. The next day, Friday morning, he will leave for Jammu at the JK Resort here to energize the workers and leaders for the strength of the party. Anil Ambani will get rupees 4,006 crore in case against Delhi Metro. The debt-ridden Anil Ambani's company, Reliance Infrastructure, has won a major victory in the case against Delhi Metro. Reliance Infrastructure will get a total of rupees 4,600 crore from Delhi Metro. In the case, the company had accused Delhi Metro of breaching the contract and demanded a termination fee of rupees 2,800 crore from it. After this, the matter kept swirling in the courts. The Supreme Court has upheld the claim of the company. Now DMRC has been ordered to return the amount along with interest and damages. The country's Air Force created history today. The emergency landing field built on a national highway in Badmer, Rajasthan, Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and Union Road Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari. Both the Union Ministers inaugurated the 3-kilometer long runway on NH 925A. After the inauguration, the fighter jets of the Air Force landed directly on the highway. The two Union Ministers together boarded a Hercules plane from Delhi to Barmer to inaugurate the emergency highway airstrip built at Adgawa in the Barmer-Jalore border, just 40 km from the Indo-Pak border. Inaugurating the emergency landing field, Rajnath Singh said that today is a historic day. Earlier, vehicles used to drive on the road, but in the 21st century, planes will also land on the road. India is ready to face any further challenges. 4 bill placed in Rajasthan Assembly. The Assembly adjourned till 13 September. The third phase of the 6th session of 50th Assembly in Rajasthan began from today. As soon as the Assembly started, the details of the bills approved by the Governor were kept in the House. After this, 25th leaders in the House on July 11, 2021 in Jaipur, Dholpur and Kota. The dead in the accident due to lightning strike were expressed by observing silence for 2 minutes. After this, the proceedings of the House were adjourned and the proceedings of the Vidhan Sabha will be held on Monday, September 13 for 11 am. BJP state in charge Arun Singh targeted the Ashok Gehlot government today, said that there is no dispute in BJP government. Arun Singh said that sometimes differences arise between party workers, but it is the party's tradition to discuss and resolve them because dialogue is the main link of BJP's working style. Arun Singh said that by listening to what is the mind of the people, we try to solve it out. BJP respects senior workers, due to which the party has reached here in Rajasthan today. Arun Singh said that the law and order has completely collapsed in the state and unemployed youth are roaming on the streets. In Jaipur, Rajasthan, Vidyarthi Mitra Panchayat protests against the government today. A large number of Panchayat assistants staged to protest against government. These Panchayat assistants gathered at Bais Godam in Jaipur said that their agitation should continue till their demands were not met. On this occasion, Vidyarthi Mitra Panchayat assistants raised slogans against the government. At the time, Behrod MLA Balwant Punia also reached in the demonstration of Vidyarthi Mitra Panch assistant. Balwant Punia said that those Panchayat assistants fight for their rights. They will stand with them. Heavy police force were deployed on the spot. Before the proceedings of Rajasthan Vidhan Sabha, there was a round of counter-attack and allegations outside the house. Transport Minister Pratap Singh Khachariawaz, while interacting with the media, made strong attacks on the internal factionalism of the BJP. He said that senior BJP leader Kailash Meghwal has raised caution on the party. At the same time, Deputy Chief Whip Mahendra Chaudhary said that in the meeting of BMC, it will be decided that when which bill will be presented. Ever since the Ashok Gehlot government was formed in the state, the BJP has not been able to play the role of the opposition. There has been a split in the BJP. Biopic on cricketer Sourav Ganguly was announced today. It has been announced to make a biopic on Sourav Ganguly, former captain of the Indian cricket team and chairman of the BCCI. Discussions have been going on for the last 3 years about Sourav Ganguly's biopic, and the owners of many big films companies have met Sourav again and again, but the film's head is tied to filmmaker Love Ranjan. His film company Love Films has announced to make a biopic on this star of Indian cricket team. Earlier, biopics have also been made on players like Mahendra Singh Dhoni, Azharuddin, who were the captains of the Indian cricket team. That's all for today's video. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe our channel The Angle. Thank you.